Alright guys, it's back with Savory Saul and the fam, and keep on cooking. Whew, happy Tuesday guys. So excited. I have a fried seafood mukbang. Alright, so without further ado, Father God, whom is in heaven, thank you for the wonderful food you blessed us with and allowed to be on our dinner table, dear God. Please bless the food, let it be nourishing to our bodies, dear God. And please help anyone that's without, dear God. And our prayers and condolences go out to the Bryant family and everybody that was on that chopper helicopter ride or flight. Lord, have mercy in the name of Jesus. Amen. All right, y'all. So once again, I do want to give my condolences and prayers out to the Kobe Bryant family, along with the other 8 people that were on that chopper. So, it's so sad, y'all. So sad. And I've just been hearing a lot of great things about him and, things I didn't know and how much he was an uplifter to other people. And, I saw an earlier video where he said that it's very important that you do something that you really enjoy doing, which, that alone went a long ways with me. And also he was giving, they had a clip of him where he was saying that one of his counselors, can you imagine this? That he was not good for basketball. Imagine had he had listened to that person. He said that made him go harder, y'all. So, like I said, it's just such a sad thing that happened. I know we all have to cross that bridge one day. It just seemed like it was so premature, I want to say. Y'all, it's so sad. So y'all keep them in y'all prayers and, and just try to be inspired by people like that, because they don't have to share those thoughts of them being strong individuals and, how they overcame obstacles and how they got to where they wanted to be in life. So it's just very important, y'all. All right, so what we have here is some shrimp cakes, fried shrimp, french fries, and some rainbow trout, y'all. First bite. So crunchy. Oh, and homemade coleslaw, y'all. Had to get that in. Okay. Y'all, so she's been holding this shrimp in her hand. Y'all, I tried some of this with that 2-time spicy sauce, and it was just excellent, y'all, with the mustard. And I didn't want any tartar sauce, so. This mustard going. God, this is so good like this. What are you guys eating today? I'll with me. Hair getting stuck on my fish, y'all. I'll get some ketchup for these french fries. So, also, before we go any further, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell notification button so you are notified when we are uploading new content. And yeah, I got these shrimp cakes out at Super H, and they were actually very good. They were doing the testers or the samplers. That is good, y'all. They're pretty good, so I picked up a pack of them. And I actually have some grape cranberry again. It's so good, y'all. Of course, with my lemons and my other stuff in there. Or fruit. mm, 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 mm. Y'all, this isn't going to be an extremely long video. We still got a lot to do here. I'm so glad the markets stay open as late as 9. Give you time to get off work and be able to go and do a little bit of shopping. So I'm actually headed over. We are actually headed over to the H Mart, and it's just like God, y'all, that 2 times spicy sauce is so good. If y'all haven't tried it, y'all gotta try that stuff. I tell you, it's good on a lot of things, especially chicken. I found out it's good on this trout fish, rainbow trout fish. Oh my goodness. And the rainbow trout fish is by far one of my favorite fish, y'all. Comment down below what's your favorite fish. It is a little bit spicy, but the taste to it is so good, y'all. And I didn't know with the H Mart, they have a super H Mart, y'all. Of course, it's a little further than I like to travel, but it's almost like a Walmart having a super Walmart and having a regular Walmart. So that's the difference. So if you hear me say H Mart and then I say the super H Mart, and to me, I think the two that we're using, they're almost about the same size. Well, no, the super H Mart is bigger, now that I think about it. Yeah, because it has a lot of restaurants inside. The regular H Mart didn't have that. Y'all, I was waiting on this meal here. And thank you to all the old subscribers and the new subscribers. Thank you guys. We can't thank you guys enough. And for supporting the channel, coming on board, giving the videos thumbs up, giving us the watch time. We certainly appreciate you all for doing that. Which brings me to, y'all, I was looking at another YouTuber earlier today on my commute to work. Tasty Foods, and shout out to her. She had a great idea, y'all. She was saying that every Sunday she'll be picking 3 other YouTubers and watching their playlist, which I thought that was really great. And that's to help people get up the watch time, y'all. So I too will be doing that. I have 2 in mind already. I don't have the 3rd person because I don't want to call the wrong names out, y'all. But I'll have that next video. But I try to do that anyway. But to go and watch that person's entire playlist is very supportive. So shouts out to her again, you know, for even doing something like that, because You know, it's a lot with the YouTube, y'all, and work. Trust me, YouTube is almost like my third or fourth job, it seems like, because you have to work your full-time job, and God knows when you come home and got your family and other people depending on you, that's a whole nother job alone in itself. And to still come on and bring content, which we enjoy doing. I'm going back to what Kobe Bryant said, you know, make sure you're doing something that you like to do. That's the most important. Everything else is going to come. But you first need to make sure. Go back, y'all. Shrimp cakes. That you are doing something that you enjoy doing. Absolutely. You know, trust me, if we didn't like doing YouTube, we wouldn't be doing it. But I like coming on here. I like the support and all the positiveness and, you know, that you get from this, y'all, and being a creative or something. And also the opportunity to use this platform as a stepping stone, I want to say, to where you're trying to go. So for us, guys, we're working on some merch. I'll let you guys know more about it as we go into that. God, they're so good, y'all. How many of y'all like the tail piece of y'all fish? I love it, especially if it's crunchy. Get that guy broken up, y'all. That tail piece, y'all. Good now. Now, I already got some 2-time spicy sauce on here, so, but I'm gonna put a little bit more. This stuff is good, y'all. Oh man, you can't go wrong with fresh fish. I forgot where we got this at. On one of our other markets. The only thing about rainbow trout, y'all, it costs it's a little expensive than the other fish. I can usually catch it on sale, but it hadn't been in season for a while. So when I saw it, I had to get some. So my boo was like, look, we gotta get some of that. Woo, this is good, y'all. I don't know where I want to go on here. Back to this trout fish. So good, y'all. And it's just got a taste to it, y'all. Out of this world. We love fresh fish over here. We love it, y'all. Y'all, that 2-time spicy, I'm telling y'all, that stuff is good. That's so good. It has a whole different other flavor. The fish itself, the texture on meat, which is really good. Take a bite at that rainbow trout, y'all. So good, y'all. Whew, that's good, y'all. I'm gonna get this stuff out on my my water bottle. But I do let it go with me, y'all, when we're traveling, cause I might as well have something to drink, you know. Woo, that is so good. So, like I said, make sure you like or give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. Also, comment down below what's your favorite fish you like to eat. Yeah, I think I got a little bone there. Yeah, you have to be careful with the bone, but you can take the bone out, you know, if you're into filleting fish. Yeah, like I said, I prefer, or we prefer the fresh fish, so that's what I have here. It's got an end piece there, cause got a few little pieces on there. And I have a fillet piece here, y'all, that we did fillet. Show you guys that. So that's why I say you can simply just fillet it if you don't want the bones in it. But sometimes I like my fresh fish with the bones. Yep. It's just like people like the bone-in chicken and the bone-out chicken. But just remember, the bone in your meat always gives it more flavor. A lot of people don't know that. So I thought I'd share that with you guys. We're trying to make coleslaw, y'all. We decided to do the red cabbage because that's what we had on hand. And I have some frozen green cabbage, but once it's frozen, I feel like it's only good to cook with. You don't want that raw. Yeah, you definitely don't want that raw, y'all. The lemon fell off my lime, rather. And I like to hit my fish when it's first coming out of that grease with a little bit of lime or lemon, whatever you have, whatever you like. But it actually gives it another flavor. Adds another little flavor. Not too much, but just, you know, sprinkle it across there. It's really good, y'all. Yeah, I'm putting bones everywhere. My favorite part. It's so crunchy, y'all. It's that tail. And I thought at the very last minute, I said, you know what, baby? We have got to have some coleslaw with this. Let me come whip us up some. So good, y'all. Give me a piece of this filet here. Again, take a bite. And the fillet will have the, what they call the pin bones. You can pick those out when you're cleaning the fish. You know, have those in there. But if you don't mind picking them right here, we did keep the tails on, y'all. That's so good, y'all. Now, cause y'all. Well, y'all. So good, y'all. Because I promised my sweetheart I wasn't going to be on here long. I did want to get a video out today of the rainbow trout, which is one of my favorites again. So good. But we do want to kind of get a move on, so we can have this uploaded and out to you guys and working on more content. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. Share. Tell a friend, tell another friend, tell another friend what we're doing over here. And thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in and looking at, giving the support and looking at the other videos and stuff. We can't say thank you enough. And we will see you guys later with another video. And as we always say, it's save yourself and the fam. I'll see you guys later. Deuces.